Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm opening up these V Hero tins that I just found at Walmart. So I don't know what's in them, but we're about to find out. We'll start with the Sylveon tin. I'll keep that in there for now. Then we'll see the pack lineup, which is the 2 Brilliant Stars, a Fusion Strike, and a Vivid Voltage. So I'm assuming it'll be the same lineup in this other tin. There's the Umbreon. And 4 packs in it. 2 Brilliant Stars, a Fusion Strike, and a Vivid Voltage. So, with the same pack lineup, we'll start with the Sylveon one and see which tin wins. Start with Brilliant Stars. Have the Ultra Ball, Hitmontop, Magma Basin, Grimer, Shinx, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Hawlucha, Sharon's Care, and a Ice Cube non-holo. Next is another Brilliant Stars. We'll go with Nosepass, Snorunt, Clink, Dedenne, Cubchoo, Clefable, and behind it, a Granbull V. We got a hit. Next up, Fusion Strike. Is that the reverse supposed to be in that spot as soon as you open it up? Oh, well. All reverses and ingredient? Okay, I've never... Okay, well, I may have seen that before, but I don't remember it offhand, but... Zeraora reverse, Dancer reverse, Darkrai reverse, Mantine reverse, Steelix reverse, and Impidimp reverse. So 6 reverses in the gradient. Okay, well, I did not expect that. As you've seen me open this pack and open it straight from there, so I'm highly surprised with that. But the other 3 cards were standard, so that's a little weird. Okay, we'll start with Vivid Voltage next. Okay, that's a little bit better. Trubbish, Dynamo, Clobbopus, Woobat, Talo, Toucannon, and a Electros non-holo. Okay, the first tin had 2 hits, and that weird green and multiple reverses. So let's start with the Umbreon tin with Brilliant Stars. We have a Dark Energy, Fracture, Cafe Master, Starmie, Sock, Cherubi, Riolu, Starly, Spiritomb, Manaphy, and an Arceus V-Star. The gold card. Man, it's definitely off-centered, but I think this card alone, in my opinion, wins. Just the gold card always wins unless the other pack had a gold. Let's see what else we can get. Last Brilliant Stars. Fighting, Executor, Hunting Gloves, Weevil, Trapinch, Piplup, Shroomish, Purloin, Duskull, and a Rangaroo Trainer Gallery. Tornadoes behind it. So in the Umbreon 10, both Brilliant Stars had a hit, a Trainer Gallery, and a gold card. Okay, can we continue to streak with Fusion Strike? Electric Energy, Chili Ceiling Crest, Copperaja, Zoroark, Toxel, Totodile, Baneri, Clobbopus, Baneri Reverse, and a Latias non-holo. Okay, down to our last pack, Vivid Voltage. Fire Energy. You got Mumuchus, Ferrothorn, Careless or Careless, Choodle, Riolu, Chimecho, Nincada, Voltorb, Cramorant Reverse, and we're ending it on a non-holo Banette. So Vivid Voltage did not get us anything out of their 2 packs. Well guys, I can't ask for better pull rates. Got a 50% pull rate for 8 packs, got 4 hits. So we got that Greedent, the Granbull V, the Rangaroo Trainer Gallery, and that Arceus V Star. Which right now I've started to play the online TCG, and he's in one of my decks. Not the gold, but just the standard V Star. And I really like using his ability. But the weirdest thing of this opening was the Fusion Strike pack that had the 6 reverse holos. So I don't know what that's about, but guys, thanks for watching. That'll be all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.